and
Thank you. Thank
lots
you.
of appreciation you got for the especially festivals. But what makes you to feel after Wazir to make such kind of
Basically, this film is very close to my heart. Very, very close. The reason being, this is inspired by one of my colleagues, one of my college mates. So she was known as Goody, Navleen Kumar, after marriage. And she being from our group, having excellent sort of rapport with everybody, was unfortunately killed. We do not know by whom, but they say it was land mafia. So Mr. Mukul Anand, his brother Colonel Shashi Anand, he phoned me up in London while I was in London. He said that Goody is no more, she is killed. And I was startled. Having wonderful relations with such a personality, I felt it was my prime duty to make aware the young generation, possibly like you, what has transpired in this particular country. Female, a lady was killed. Pathetic.
what sort of difficulties you can say, or what sort of challenge you feel while making this movie?
Well, when I declared that I was going to make a film, a celluloid, inspired by her topic, I was assaulted, मुझ पे हमला हुआ था. भाई कुछ दिन के लिए तो मैंने कहा कि ठीक है, आशुतोष गोवारिकर, गोविंद जी, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि भाई, इनफैक्ट दीपक तिजोरी भी थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई आप थोड़ा रुक जाइए. So that's the reason I sort of slow pedaled this particular topic. But eventually I had to do it, and I did it. And I did it the very place where she was brutally killed. Absolutely.
Okay, why Nishiji special for?
I would say that Nishiji fitted in this role from what I felt about. She's a performance-based artist, very strong, very intelligent, and I would say that she could swallow this role, this script. I'm using that term specifically, and I'm not trying to say that she got into the skin of that particular role and all that. She could swallow that role and played it wonderfully, and I had full confidence in her. That's why.
The best thing you like about her and as a person?
Her ease, total ease, and understanding the scenes, grasping the situation, going beyond the situation also.
A title only suggests that the name of title, so strong woman's story. What do you want to say about it? How does it came in your mind, the title especially?
Well, Navleen Kumar was known as Tai, as I have learned, in the region where she was working, protecting the lands of the Adivasis. So she was known as Tai. And I wanted to pay her some tribute. So the only way I could pay her a tribute by announcing my title is in the name of Tai. So in the name of Navleen Kumar. Simple as that.
Okay.